Hello everybody, my name is Walter and today I want to show you how you can build my simple 4 by 7 triangle door. In case you're looking for a showcase or world on it, you can find both linked in the description. But let's get started. So this door is in total 9 blocks wide and 12 blocks high, with most of the additional circuitry actually below the floor. The length of the door itself is just 3 blocks, 5 if you count the front and the back wall. If you want to build this, you're going to need these resources here. So of course some building blocks, then 2 obsidian blocks and 2 slabs, as well as 3 slime blocks. For redstone components, it's 25 redstone dust, a single redstone torch, 5 repeaters, 22 observers, 6 normal pistons, 25 sticky pistons, 2 node blocks, and a wooden door, although you can also use an iron door if you want, and then a lever as an input. The sea lanterns in here are pure aesthetics and are not really required. And with that covered, it's time to show you how to build this door here. Now the first step is marking the middle of the door with those 5 blocks in the floor. In the middle we have 3 movable blocks, and then on either side we have an obsidian block or another immovable block. Those mark the center line of the door at the floor level. Once you have that, we need to go below, and that is where we place our 3 slime blocks. Then on the left side we need a double piston extender right below, like so. Then we can place a block diagonally here with a 40 repeater running into the piston. Then an observer running into the repeater. Another observer looking at the same piston there. Running into a full block. And now we need our upside down slab on top of the observer and then 2 wires down like that. Now on the right side, place 3 lowered blocks going from the front to the back and put wire on top. And that is actually our input line. So at this point you can actually determine whether you want the door to be opened when it's unpowered or you want it to be closed when it's unpowered. Now I actually want it to be opened, so I just give it a short pulse and toggle the entire system. If you want the reverse, again, simply give it a short pulse to toggle the system. So now, once you have that figured out, it's time to continue. And for that, let's start on the left side here by adding 2 lowered blocks with some wire and a 40 repeater running above a sticky piston with a block to the face. Then we have 3 observers on top with normal pistons on top of that, and then just normal blocks there. Now we make a quick mirror towards the back of all of this. Like so. Now we can give this a little test run and we should see this properly retracting and flattening out. That looks very good indeed. Then next up we are going to continue on the left side with first a sticky piston going towards the back, then an observer going up in front of that block on top, and then a wooden door or even iron door would do as well on top. Then we need an observer looking at it from the front and then to the side. And the same at the back. And another observer on top. Then we can place our sticky pistons in front of the observers there and full blocks on top. And then over here, let's actually fill in this floor and the first layer of the wall. Make sure this block on top of the observer here is a full block. Now, on the right side, we do something a little bit different, but very similar. So first we need a 40 repeater running into a full block. Then around the corner we have a lowered and then another raised block. Another 40 repeater there. Wire on top. Then block there. Torch on the side of it with a block on top. Then yet again another 40 repeater. And now we have again our 5 observers. So front, back and top. And then inwards with the sticky pistons and then the blocks like so. And if we now flicker the lever, this here should close up and then open again. That is looking very good indeed. And now place node blocks on top of the blocks above in the observers. Then on top of them we need again, observers with blocks to the top and to the side. And then we need sticky pistons going up diagonally and then going down again once we have reached the middle point, like so. Then the same at the back, and when I can reach it easily, let's add a double piston extender already in the middle there. And now we just need to continue with this pattern a little bit. Like so. Then on this side here, place 5 wire like this. On this side here, 7 wire like that. Then up here, we go up diagonally twice and then one to the side. Put down 3 wire and a 4-tick repeater. Then on this side, we have an observer looking at the top piston, running into a wire on top of a full block. And then we have an upside down slab in between the two pistons here, again with some wire on top. And then we can put in the rest of our roof, or ceiling in this case. And if we have built everything correctly, we should see this properly closing up and also opening. Okay, that's looking good. So all that's left is now putting in the front and the back wall. And just like in this here. Furthermore, I also decided to add some light sources and relocated the lever from down there to up here where it's easier to reach, which as you can see is very simple to do. And with that said, we have reached the end of this tutorial for my simple 4x7 triangle door. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. I wish you a nice day and well, see ya.